Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to upload more than 15 seconds shorts video in YouTube. Follow these easy steps to upload a short video up to 60 seconds. First of all, go to your YouTube app and sign into your YouTube account. And now tap on this plus icon at the bottom menu and select short. And as you can see, by default here is selected only 15 seconds. So if I try to record a video, the video duration will be only 15 seconds. And now to make a video, short video, 60 seconds, you have to tap on this 15 seconds at the top right to enable 60 seconds. Once you successfully selected 60 seconds, now you can easily record a 60 seconds short video for your YouTube. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.